Yeah.
Hello children, welcome you all to the second class of fluids. Okay, I hope all you are doing well. And as we saw in the previous class, and you all know about what is meant by fluids. So what is meant by fluids? Yes, the substance which can change its shape and it can flow. Last class we saw about thrust, pressure, factors affecting liquid pressure, and atmospheric pressure. So today we are going to see Pascal's law. Pascal's law. So what does mean by this Pascal's law? So I'll explain it. So when you take a closed container and you fill it with a liquid and you press at one side, the same pressure will be applied in all the directions equally. That is called Pascal's law. So who found out this one? Who stated it? Pascal. His name is Blaise Pascal. The scientist's name is Blaise Pascal. So I want to show you something. I want to show you this experiment. Do you want to see it? Yes, let's see it. Here I have a syringe and I have filled it with water and I closed it with a lid so there is no other area to the water to be out. And I have a piston here, okay? And I have put some holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. But we will see when I press this one, the liquid should come out equally. Let's see that. Can you see it? Yes. So this is how the Pascal's law works. So what is the use of it? Where can we use this Pascal's law in real life? Can you guess something? Where can we use this water and we press one side and it comes to the other side? And have you ever seen the car lift with a hydraulic lift? Hydraulic press. So the hydraulic press and hydraulic lift, they all work with the same principle, Pascal's law. You have a larger area here, you have a smaller area here, and you fill it with water, and one side you have a small piston, and then at the side you have a little bit larger piston. And here, when you apply pressure, the pressure will be same. As I said earlier, pressure will be same. So this same pressure will be distributed to the whole area here, and then it is used to lift the object. Can I show you how it works? Do you want to see it? Yes, very good. So now I have one piston here, first piston, and the second one is connected to the object. Now I'm gonna use this piston to lift this object. Shall we do it? Very good. Now I press it, the pressure on the liquid is distributed in all the directions in the container, and it is used to lift the object. Okay, and this is a principle they use in hydraulic press and hydraulic lift. Now listen carefully. So that side, the smaller side, smaller force is applied, and that one is taken as F1. The area on that side is A1, and this side is F2 force, and the area is A2. So when you put it in formula, you have P is equal to F1 by A1, and another P is equal to F2 by A2. Why we mention P? Because the pressure is same, so we don't separate it as like P1 and P2. It's same pressure. Okay. Now, as it is the same pressure, we can equalize these two. F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2. So from this, if you find out F2, which is the pressure, otherwise a force on the other side, F2 is equal to F1 into A2 by A1. This is used as force multipliers. Do you understand what I say? Yes, very good. So one more time I'll explain it. What is mean by Pascal's law? So according to Pascal's law, in a closed container, when you apply pressure on one side, that pressure is equally distributed in all the area inside the container. So this is Pascal's law. Where do we use it? In hydraulic press and hydraulic lift. Okay, so what is the uses of this hydraulic press and hydraulic lift? They are used as force multiplier. That's it. So shall I ask you a question? Very good. You don't need to say it by heart. I will show you. You can read it. What is mean by Pascal's law? Yes, very good, excellent. Okay, who found out this? His name is Blaise Pascal, very good. That's it for today. So when you come tomorrow, you're going to learn what is meant by Pascal's law and what are the applications of it, and you know how to derive this formula to find out if it's a force multiplier. And relating to this topic, read and come and I'll ask you questions. And I'll start the class by asking questions from this topic. Do you understand? It's very good. Thank you.